everyone. Welcome back to our Slow and Easy English podcast. I'm Mie, your friendly teacher. I hope your day is calm, bright, and maybe less chaotic than mine. Today, Daniel is here with me again. Hello, Daniel.
Hi, Mie. I'm here, ready to learn. I even brought my best smile. People can't see it, but trust me, it is very shiny.
Good. A shiny smile is a great start for today's topic, making friends and everyday conversations practice.
Perfect, because I love friends. I just don't always know what to say to them.
That's very normal. Many English learners tell me the same thing. Small talk can feel scary, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we'll take it slow, step by step, and we'll practice natural, simple English.
Great. The slower, the better. My brain likes slow things. Slow food, slow music, slow explanations.
Let's start with the first step in making friends, starting a conversation. A simple hello can open a door.
Yes, but sometimes hello feels too small, like it needs more clothes.
More clothes?
More words.
Ah, I see. Try, hi, how are you? Or, hi, nice to meet you. Or, hi, what's your name?
Good, but what if I forget?
Then you say, hi, and smile. Your smile does 50% of the work.
Great. I only remember 50% of things.
After hello, ask simple questions. Where are you from? What do you like to do? Do you live nearby?
Like a soft ping pong game.
Exactly.
Let's practice. Imagine we meet at a cafe. Ready?
Let's try.
I'm reading a book. You walk in.
Hi, I like your book.
Oh, thank you. I love reading. Do you like reading too?
Yes, but I like short books. My attention span is tiny.
Fair. See, that was simple.
But what if someone talks too much?
You can say, I see. That's interesting. Really? And ask a small question to guide them.
So I don't need to talk a lot?
No, just be present.
Good. I don't want to sweat during small talk.
Everyday topics are easy. Weather, food, hobbies, daily life.
Weather is my best topic. I can talk about rain forever.
That worries me a little. You can say, the weather is nice today. It's a bit hot. I hope it doesn't rain.
And then we talk more.
Yes, let's practice meeting after class. Hey, Daniel, how was your day?
It was good. I had English class. My brain hurts a little.
Normal. Your brain is doing push-ups.
It needs a break. How was your day?
Good. Coffee, teaching, trying to be productive. Teacher life.
Are you busy later?
Not really.
Let's go to the park. The weather is cool.
Sounds nice.
The last part, be yourself.
But what if myself is weird?
Everyone is weird. That's why friendships are fun.
True.
You don't need big words. Just smile, listen, ask simple things.
Listening is hard. My mind goes on short vacations.
Practice by repeating key words, like a polite echo.
Got it.
Final exercise. Reply to these. I'm new here.
Welcome. If you need help, just tell me.
I like your jacket.
Thanks. I wear it too much.
I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. We can talk slowly.
Perfect.
Today we learned how to say hello, ask simple questions, talk about everyday topics, smile, listen, and relax.
Great summary. Making friends is a journey. Take it slow. Use simple English. Be kind.
Thanks for listening.
See you next time.